action. They will only act when they are given the power of a story. The next reason why we need stories is this. Let's go to my friend Nikki. Nikki. Hi Nikki.
Hi.
अच्छा आप दो डिवाइस से ज्वाइन किया ठीक है निकी
Oh, sorry, I don't know. Yes, there are two Nikkis, but yeah, we could go with me now that I've said yes. Hi.
Okay, done. Which Nikki decided to buy the coffee machine? Let me know.
I actually did buy the coffee machine and I was laughing about it. But I didn't spend 10 lakhs, but I do have a
ठीक है
coffee
चलो
machine.
Nikki with the eye को जाता है चलो Nikki with the eye and maybe if you can put your camera on so I know how Nikki with the eye looks like. Hey Nikki, yeah, that's good. Yeah, keep your videos on. Don't worry about the background and all that stuff. Yeah, let's have a conversation. ठीक है Nikki, 2 limbs was on 3 limb, having 1 limb. 4 limbs came and snatched 1 limb from 2 limbs. 2 limbs took 3 limbs, hit 4 limbs and got the 1 limb back. Repeat कीजिएगा.
I have 1 limb left because I was doing the math in the whole thing. I hope I got that right.
ठीक है. Okay, 2 पैर वाली निकली, 3 पैर वाले स्टूल पे बैठी थी और 1 पैर वाला लेग पीस खा रही थी. 4 पैर वाला कुत्ता आया, लेग पीस छीन के गया. निकी ने 3 पैर वाला स्टूल लेके कुत्ते को मारा और 1 पैर वाला लेग पीस वापस ले लिया. अब रिपीट कीजिएगा. You can?
2 limb Nikki was sitting on a 3 limb chair that and was eating a 1 limb thing. 4 limb person eat it,
right?
threw it back, got my 1 limb back.
Perfect, right? Limb is nothing but the medical word for legs or hands, right? But when you are a doctor and presenting, you will always tend to use limb. But the common janta doesn't understand limb. The moment I told Nikki leg, and then she was able to remember, because stories have the power to spread easily and get amplified. जब आप इन्वेस्टर को जाके पिच करते हो तो वो शायद फिश टैंक वाले सीरियल के जैसे चेक नहीं लिखेगा. I can't name the serial, otherwise they'll sue me, right? जो फिश टैंक वाला जो सीरियल आता है वैसे कोई साइन चेक नहीं करता है. क्या होता है 4 दिन बाद वो अपने दूसरे इन्वेस्टर को मिलता है. वो बोलता है यार ये निकी करके निकी पता नहीं नित्ती कुछ तो लड़की थी उसने बहुत अच्छा चीज बताया. मेरे फंड हाउस में ये इसका यूज नहीं है लेकिन शायद आपके फंड में ये बैठेगा. When will they remember that? When you give it into the form of a story. If you give them, I am transcribing this call with Tactic AI extension, आधे मिनट में वो भूल जाएगा. When you give people the power of story, they are able to remember it. But what are they going to do? They are going to take it and tell 10 other people, which is what you want as an entrepreneur. You want your customers to talk about you. You want your investors to talk about you. You want your employees to talk about your company on the social media. And that happens when you give them the power of story. Stories help audiences relax and listen. If I come here and say, today I am going to tell you about the theory of relativity. The theory of relativity was proposed by Einstein, and he states that when the speed of light is achieved, you are able to do blah blah blah. Now what is happening? धीरे सब लोग बाहर जा रहे हैं. अरे भैया हम खत्म हो गया, right? But if I come and say, आज आपको मालूम है कोयम्बटूर में ईशा में क्या हुआ? Immediately you are all leaning in because the audience loves to listen to story. Your customers also love to listen to story. When you go and start talking blah 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 about your product, they are going backwards. But try to tell them, sir, you know what? I was coming to the factory. Something very interesting happened. The tendency is for people to lean in. Stories are things that help audiences relax and listen. And the most important thing for you and me as a founder is stories have the power to help us be original. क्यों? पिंटो का जो स्टोरी है और अंजनी अग्रवाल का जो स्टोरी है और अंकिता आईफोन का जो स्टोरी है, एक आईफोन नहीं 2 आईफोन है अंकिता, क्या बात है, right? The stories are going to be different. Your products may be the same, the features may be the same, but your journeys are going to be always different. So when Ankita comes and speaks to me, what she will speak to me will be very, very different to what Preeti says. And that's where originality comes in. And originality is always something that attracts attention. So when you as a founder use the power of stories, you are attracting attention. So now that all of us agree that we all need stories, let's understand the building blocks of what makes a great story, right? ये story क्या है? Valentine's Day के आसपास I couldn't resist the temptation for getting this image. Ilu क्या है? Some of the younger ones, Ankita, I don't know whether you relate. You look very young, so I don't think you relate to this song. You know Ankita, iPhone? You're on mute, by the way. Okay, just give me a thumbs up and thumbs down if you know what that background image is. You're on mute. You're on mute. Okay, so Nikki, you and I are from the same generation, I think. Yeah. Okay. Wonderful. So, what are the building blocks of a good story, right? Number one, stories are always by definition simple, right? कि कोई भी इसको समझ सकता है. For example, let's say, let me ask Preeti. Preeti, can you unmute, please? नहीं हो रहा? Okay,
yes,
Anjali?
Yes, done.
Preeti,
Yeah.
9.81 meters per second square.
Okay.
क्या है वो?
91 point.
9.81 meters per second square.
It's a FM channel.
Okay, Preeti, do you
FM
remember a
channel.
guy sitting below an apple tree and an apple falling on him?
Newtons.
You remember, right, Bharti?
Yeah.
Why?
Sorry.
Because
Yeah.
they're the same thing, right? That's what Newton said. 9.81 meters per second square is gravity, right? Why do we remember Newton sitting below an apple tree? Because our teacher, when we were in grade 5, told us it in the form of a story which was very, very simple for you and me to understand. If our teacher had said 9.81 meters per second square, बच्चों याद रखना, किसी को भी याद नहीं रहेगा. So the teacher made it simple through the power of a story. Stories are simple, number one. Number two, stories are always concrete. What do we mean by concrete? Concrete means मैं अगर अपनी आंखें बंद करूं तो आप जो बोल रहे हो मुझे तस्वीर दिख रहा है कि नहीं. If I can make an image for it, concrete. In Nikki's case, 1 limb, 2 limb, 3 limb, कोई तस्वीर बना? नहीं. निकी स्टूल पे बैठी है, कुत्ते के पीछे भाग रही है, तस्वीर बन रहा है. जब आप कम्युनिकेट करते हो, when you talk to people, if they are not able to create an image in their mind, they will never understand. For the last 200,000 years, this brain has evolved as a muscle that only understands concreteness. Dog. कितनों के दिमाग में DOG आया? नहीं आया होगा. कोई कुत्ता जो आप जानते हो, किसी को जो कुत्ता आपने देखा हो, वो दिखता है. क्यों? Concrete है. DOG abstract है. Stories have the power to bring in concreteness. Like in the case of the king and queen dying. When I said रानी मर गई, राजा मर गया, कुछ नहीं दिखा. But रानी मर गई, राजा देवदास बन के मर गया, कुछ तो दिखने लगा. And that is the concreteness in stories. Number 3, stories are always unpredictable. Right? For example, Sita Lakshmi Srivas. Sita Lakshmi sounds a little South Indian name. Where are you from, ma'am?
Basically from Palakkad, but born and brought up in Mumbai.
Born and brought up from Mumbai. Okay, you are my neighbor. I am from. Right, Sita? You are in Mumbai, though. You'll understand. Not at all. So, Sita, who's your favorite hero?
Anil Kapoor.
How? Who?
Anil Kapoor.
Anil Kapoor. क्या बात है? Very good. Okay. So, Sita, you go to watch a movie. Anil Kapoor is the hero in the movie. ठीक है? Anil Kapoor पैदा होता है. स्कूल जाता है, स्कूल में टॉपर. कॉलेज जाता है, कॉलेज में टॉपर. नौकरी लगती है, नौकरी में टॉपर. रिटायर हो जाता है, मूवी खत्म. Will you like the movie, Sita?
No, sir.
No, right? अरे ये क्या बेहुदा मूवी है, right? अभी पूजा चोपड़ा बोलती है, अरे तुमको मद्रासी लोगों को पिक्चर लेने बना था, मैं बनाती हूँ. तो उसमें भी अनिल कपूर हीरो. अनिल कपूर पैदा होता है, स्कूल जाता है, कॉलेज से ग्रेजुएट होते दिन 50 लड़कियां उसको उठा के भाग जाती हैं. अब सीता को क्या होगा? मेरे अनिल को क्या हुआ? कौन बचाएगा उसको, right? So we get excited when there is something unexpected that happens, right? रानी मर गई, राजा मर गया, nothing unexpected. रानी मर गई, राजा देवदास बन के मर गया, unexpected. Stories have the power to bring in the unexpected. Why? Because the easiest way to grab attention is to break a pattern, and breaking patterns happens by the unexpected. For example, today when I started, you were expecting me to give you a bhashan, but I put on a music that was literally like putting you to sleep, and all of you are thinking, अरे चल क्या रहा है? ये बंदे ने गाना क्यों लगाया है? The unexpected grabs attention. As an entrepreneur, your job is to grab attention. Why? Because in this group itself, there are 50 of you, which means you're competing with 50 other women for the same attention for the judges or the investors whenever you're pitching next week, right? So let's say, for example, you want to grab attention. You can't go and put a music like me, right? Maybe you can't do that. But you could do something like this. Good afternoon. My name is Pooja Pandey, and I am here to pitch you my startup.